In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your LinkedIn company page. Whether you're setting up your business for the first time or you simply want to make your profile look more professional and trustworthy, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn account and go to your profile page. Once you're there, look for the small arrow or your profile picture in the top area and tap on View Profile. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, scroll down to the Experience section on your profile. Over here, you'll see your job positions along with the company logos. If you notice that one of your experiences doesn't have a logo, it's usually because the wrong company page was selected or the company doesn't have a logo uploaded yet. Now, click on the pencil icon next to the experience you want to fix. Then, in the company name field, search for the correct company page. If the company already has a logo on LinkedIn, it will appear automatically as soon as you select the right page. After that, just hit save, and the new logo should show up instantly without any issues. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your company actually has an official LinkedIn page, ensure the page is published, and double-check the spelling when you search for it. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, go back to your profile and refresh the page. After that, you should be able to see the updated company logo right next to your experience. It's also a good idea to confirm that you selected the correct page. Sometimes multiple pages have similar names, so taking this extra step ensures everything looks clean and professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add or update your company logo on LinkedIn easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?